fights.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Kennedy McKinney alias King, 1998 Olympic gold medalist, dating world champion sa super bantamweight division. Ilang dekalibring boksidor na rin ang binangga at isa na dito ay ang alamat ng Mexico na si Marco, the babyface assassin Barrera. Nangyari ang maaksyong laban nila ni Barrera taong 1996. Bagamat natalo siya ni Barrera via 12 round TKO, ay pinahirapan muna niya si Barrera at pinabagsak pa sa ibabaw ng lona. Dalawang taon ang nakalipas ay umakyat ng timbang itong si McKinney. Plano palang kasahan ang nooy defending champion na ating kababayan na si Luisito Lindol Espinosa. Nangyari ang laban nila noong November 28, 1998 sa bansang Amerika. Para ito sa pagdipinsa ni Espinosa sa titulong WBC World Featherweight title. Sa gabi ng laban ay bitbit ni McKinney ang record na 33 wins, only 3 defeats, 19 via knockout. Habang 43 wins, 7 losses, 22 via knockout naman ang Pinoy na si defending champion Espinosa. Sabay nating balikan mga pre ang pagdipinsa ni Luisito Espinosa sa kanyang titulo kontra sa dating nagpahirap at nagpabagsak kay Marco Antonio Barrera at Olympic gold medalist na si Kennedy McKinney alias King.
Espinosa has won 2 of his last 3 by technical win.
Round 1, bakbaka na agad ang dalawa. Mabibigat na mga kamao ang binibitawan nila. Ito ang pang-pitong pagdipinsa ni Espinosa sa kanyang titulo, kaya naman agresibong manalo. Habang gustong-gusto din makuha ni McKinney ang kampyonato.
There's a left hook that lands right away. Excuse me, Luisito, I didn't mean to offend you.
Very smart boxer. Let's take a look at his opponent.
I think McKinney may be trying to set him up, trap him some way into throwing that left hook more often. He took that in a very calm way. It's his best punch, Espinosa. Blocked by McKinney.
That time, first one landed. This time McKinney had the right hand up to block it.
The body to set up the headshots like he just did with that left hook.
Interesting matchup between a guy who wants to set up his right hand, McKinney, and a guy who wants to set up his left hook, Espinosa.
Espinosa's landing the right.
McKinney with the right hand to the body and the left to the body, and he lands an uppercut, but Espinosa counters and drives Kennedy back, then turns around and pounds him against the rope as Espinosa has stunned McKinney in the first round.
And left hook hurts McKinney bad.
Yep.
Pero sa gitna ng palitan, isang kombinasyon ang nagpabagsak sa challenger. Basag agad ang ilong ni McKinney pagkatapos lang ng unang round.
So Espinosa showing you his vast experience. He's been a pro for 14 years. First professional fight on his 17th birthday. Down goes McKinney as a right hand followed by a left hook. Landed on the chin.
This has been more than a taste, bleeding from the mouth.
Espinosa left hook, trying to finish McKinney in the final seconds of round 1. Now the right hand lands. And a slow starting Kennedy McKinney trying to fight back as round 1 comes to a close.
All of those big punches are result.
What's happening? Come on. What's up? Come on. You all right? Bro, man, you gotta move to your right, okay?
Okay.
How you feel? Give me some water. Give me some water. Give me water. Give me a towel on my back. Give me water. Give me a towel. Come on. Man, you gotta stay to the right side. Come on.
Here we can take a look at the knockdown. That big right hand is what sent McKinney off balance. A soft tap of the left finished the job that the right had started. Looking for the left.
to you in the first round, Roy?
Not necessarily rusty, but the big body shots that Luisito Espinosa was throwing made Kennedy forget about his head. And he set him up for the body shot through a headshot.
So big round for Espinosa to start. Landing 36 of 80 punches. 35 of those 36. Power shots. Those numbers come from Copy.
Pero tuloy pa rin ang laban sa second round at dito na tinapos ni Lindol Espinosa ang laban. Malalindol na mga kamao ang tumama sa ulo ni McKinney at napaluhod ito.
And Kennedy moving up in weight. Oh, and that right hand has frozen McKinney, and this is over. Over. A blistering right cross by Luisito Espinosa, and Kennedy.
2 rounds lang ang itinagal. Dinurog ni Espinosa ang dating nagpahirap at nagpatumba kay Marco Antonio Barrera.
You know, McKinney has always visualized fights, and he kept visualizing the left hand of Espinosa, and he was just wide open for the right.
It was the right hand that got him, no question.
Which is why you never go into a fight looking for one punch to beat you. Always go ready for anything.
He had a very clear and categorical picture of what he thought was going to happen in the fight. It was very convincing the way he described it to us. But Larry makes exactly the right point, because as McKinney tried to protect against the left hook, Espinosa blasted him out of there with right hands. So now the speculation turns to Luisito Espinosa versus Prince Espinosa. And Roy, what a textbook job of setting up power shots to the head with hard. Now let's go to Michael Buffer for the official particulars.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Marty Denkin waves off the count of 10 following the knockdown and calls a halt to this bout at 47 seconds of round number 2. The winner and still WBC featherweight champion of the world, Luisito Espinosa.
Negotiates all of his contracts and did a very good job outside of the ring, as you did inside of the ring tonight.
Yung kasama mo, marami ka siya daw ang manager mo. She did a good job. You're coming.
Oh, thank you very much for Lal and also to America President Putin. Thank you very much for promoting here.
Did you feel that you were just stronger than him, and is that the reason you came out so aggressively?
Doon sa 4 na minutong pinaglaban nyo, naramdaman mo bang mas malakas ka kaysa sa kanya?
Naramdaman ko dahil first round pa lang kasi sabi ko mas malakas ako dito, sabi ko.
I felt it, and it's right on the first punch. I knew right away I'm gonna get this guy.
Does he think that he will get a fight with Prince Hamed?
Palagay ba makakalabo mo si Prince Hamed?
Stay ko pag kailangan pag-aralan.
I think I have to study about that. I have to study him pretty good.
Thank you very much. Congratulations again, Luis.
Thank you very much to America President Putin and to all the fans here in the States. Thank you to all the market.
We'll see you again.